The Barberton daisy, also known as the Garbera daisy, is a bright and colorful flower native to South Africa. It is popular in gardens and as a cut flower due to its vibrant petals and long-lasting blooms. These are some key facts about the Barberton daisy. Its scientific name is Gorbera and the other name is Gorbera daisy. Its colors are red, orange, yellow, pink, white, and more. Its blooming time is spring to fall, can bloom year-round in warm climates. Its height is 12 to 18 inches, 30 to 45 cm. Its growing condition is prefers full sun of partial shade, grows best in well-drained soil, needs regular watering but avoids overwatering. Its uses are garden beds, pots, and floral arrangements. Its special feature is attracts butterflies and bees, making it great for pollinator gardens. The Barberton daisy is loved for its cheerful look and ability to brighten up and space. Flower large daisy-like blooms 2 to 5 inches in diameter in bright shade of red, orange, yellow, pink and white. Some varieties even have bee-colored petals. Leaves green deeply lobed leaves that form a resort at the base. Stem long, sturdy and leafless, making it ideal for cutting and floral arrangements. Its root system, a strong fibrous root system that helps it survive in tough conditions. Growing conditions and cares are sunlight prefers full sun but can tolerate partial shade. In very hot climates, some afternoon shade is beneficial. Soil well drained, sandy or a loamy soil with good aeration. Avoid heavy clay soil as it retains too much moisture. Watering needs regular watering, but overwatering can cause root knot. Allow the soil to dry slightly between waterings. Temperature grows best in warm climate 15 to 25 C or 59 to 77 F. It does not tolerate extreme cold and should be protected from frost. Fertilization use a balanced fertilizer 10-10-10 to 20-20-20 during the growing season. Too much nitrogen can lead to excessive leaf growth and fewer plants. Pests and disease can be affected by aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites. Regular inspection and organic insecticides can help. Susceptible of fungal disease like powdery mildew if the leaves stay wet for too long. Watering at the base helps prevent this. Grown from seeds, but germination can take 2 to 4 weeks, can also be propagated by dividing mature plants. Blooms from spring to fall into most regions. In warm, frost-free climates, it can bloom year-round. Longevity typically a perennial in warm region but often grown as an annual in colder climate. Garden planting after the flower perfect beds, borders, and pots. Cut flowers are popular choice in bouquets due to its long vast life up to 2 weeks. Air purification known to help remove toxin from indoor air according to NASA studies. Attracts pollinators, bees, and butterflies love the flowers, making them great for pollinator friendly gardens. The Barberton daisy is a wonderful addition to any garden, bringing color and beauty with minimal care. Would you like more tips on specific care routine or propagation? Tell me in comments and subscribe my channel.